How to install and dress an Edge Sander sanding pad. This guide applies to the Hiretech HT7 Edge Sander. The part number for replacement sanding pads and service wrench can be found in the video description below. Some common reasons why you may need to replace the sanding pad include the sanding pad being worn below its minimum thickness, damage or wear that can't be removed by dressing, or to gain access to the fan, motor and gearbox assembly. Make sure your Edge Sander is disconnected from power and you're using the appropriate safety gear. To remove the sanding pad from your Edge Sander, flip it upside down, remove any sanding discs along with the clamp bolt and washer and set them aside. Using a breaker bar, lock the intake fan in position. Using the sanding pad wrench, loosen the sanding pad by turning it counterclockwise. If the sanding pad is tight, use a soft mallet to tap the wrench to help with removal. Pro tip number 1, take care not to lose the shims. These are located between the sanding pad and the drive shaft and must be replaced when installing a new sanding pad. Grab your new sanding pad and install it, tightening it in a clockwise direction. Remove the breaker bar and return the Edge Sander to the upright position. Visually check the position of the sanding pad in relation to the bench. It should be resting on the 3 outermost rings of the sanding pad. You can check out our other how-to video for correctly adjusting caster wheels. Next, place a sheet of fine abrasive on the floor or a timber board and secure it in place using tape. A suitable alternative are the Hiretech orbital sanding sheets, which have a self-adhesive backing. If you are using a timber board, make sure that the board is large enough for you to stand on safely. When you're ready, connect your Edge Sander to power and stand comfortably in the ready to sand position. Press the switch to the on position. Carefully lower the Edge Sander onto the abrasive sheet and move the edger from side to side for a few seconds. It's important not to lean on the Edge Sander. Simply use the sander's weight. Disconnect your Edge Sander from the power supply and check the condition of the sanding pad. The surface should be even with no visible highs or lows in the contact area. Visually check the contact patch again. Adjust the casters if needed. Once complete, your sanding pad is now dressed.